Imagine managing countless projects across the globe without the right tools at your fingertips. Scopic, a giant in virtual software, struggled with disjointed tools causing chaos in communication and project management. Their project management was a tangled web, using 4 separate systems to juggle client interactions and tasks. Without privacy settings, teams faced awkward situations, often inadvertently sharing sensitive information with clients. Finding a comprehensive reporting method felt impossible, leading to cumbersome processes and significant time loss. After 40 hours of intensive research, Scopic discovered teamwork, and their project management struggles were about to change. 1 year later, Scopic relies entirely on teamwork, transforming their processes and enhancing team communication. The software's granular privacy features mean that only the necessary parties are involved in discussions and document sharing. Tasks are now scheduled and reports generated in just a few clicks, simplifying complex workflows significantly. Teamwork has elevated client satisfaction, allowing for smooth check-ins, real-time feedback, and seamless communication throughout projects.